The shit's about to kick off, this party looks whack. Let's take it back to straight hip-hop and start it from scratch.
Well, what's up, guys? We're in the Halifax Shopping Center. We're in Sports Check.
What the fuck? These look awesome.
What?
They look awesome. Look at these. Long. Ooh, they look really large. Yeah, these are largest. It's not the largest.
B is not a large.
B is not a large. B is like a not large.
Oh my god.
This is really heavy.
Spencer's.
See how heavy it is? It like yeah, it weighs a lot.
It's a penis. It's a penis. Oh my fuck. Alberto, bud, this is for you. Wow. It's the girlfriend. Oh my god. I don't know if kids should be looking at this or what.
Oh no, they don't actually say anything.
No?
Okay. No, they do. Okay. This coupon entitles you to a steamy shower with me on my knees. Let all the water flow. Okay, I'm gonna stop reading.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Just bought some shit.
Bought some shit.
Lots of shit.
Bought lots of shit.
Some,
We got some toques for snowboarding.
some toques.
Some toques.
They can't see.
Oh no? Alright. So yeah, we're just on our way to another, that store, and then
Board
taking
games?
the board games. Alright, yeah. And then taking the bus home. Boom.
I'm tired.
Yeah, we're extremely tired, but still going ham, right?
No, we're not.
Ham? Turkey?
No.
Turkey?
No.
Pork? So we got a little more stuff. Hold on, need to pull up my pants. Too much, yeah. Too much spec. So we're walking to her place now, and then we're gonna go back to my place.
Whose place?
Kate's place.
Kate's place? Yeah.
Kate's place.
Sick.
And we're gonna go back to my place. Play some PS4.
Ooh yeah.
The PS4.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Jumped the gun.
He jumped the gun. We plugged in the PS4, and there was a save mode on it, so we had to return it to the same place. Got a new one, and it's waiting at my house, so we're gonna go play that.
Sweating.
And we got some little gifts and all that, so
Some gifts for
should be
me.
good. Yeah, sure. Cause we're
Actually, they were playing High School Musical stuff at the gym the other day. Yeah.
That's so stupid.
I know.
Oh my god.
And like
marks the
reflating
spot.
and stuff.
X marks the spot. X marks the spot. Oh no.
Oh my god, this hat is so good.
Yeah. So, we arrived to my girlfriend's place.
Don't show them the mess, please.
No, I won't. I fucking laughed at this. Fucking safer sex. What the there's gloves in it. This is fucking oh, I should oh.
Is this rock or what? How's this scarf? Is this 10 out of 10 scarf?
Yeah, gorgeous.
This is like a 9.
No, it's gorgeous.
10 out of 10?
It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Alright, so Kate got this at school. I don't know what this is. A rubber glove. What the fuck is this? South House Sexual and Gender Research. That's a sticker. What? I just don't get this. What is this? Liquid personal lubricant. Safe. 2 condoms. What is this? This is a notebook of how to use the glove. This is people. Sex is sex. You use these, they're fine. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need no fucking rubber glove. You don't need fucking anything. No. Not cool.
Where's that knife?
Oh. So we're opening this up for a third time, or second time, I mean, sorry.
On my arm, you're too weak to do this right now. Get on the floor a little bit.
Hopefully there's no chip in this one.
Oh my God, I'm gonna actually cry if there's a chip in this.
What?
Trying to open it like you were a manscaped.
Oh wait, did you
I
do
just
that?
did that, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. I thought it was like,
Oh,
okay.
just leaving it down. Alright.
There you go.
Yeah.
Doesn't look chipped.
Yet.
Yet. Controller. These controllers are really nice.
It's really nice.
Really bright and nice. Alright.
You know what? That looks. It's sealed 10 times better than how it was sealed.
Oh, okay,
To
good.
be honest. Oh shit.
No chip? Sick. First, let's plug it in, because...
It might not work again. Alright, you can get up and plug
Are there any scratches on
No,
the...
there's nothing. There was in the last
Wow,
one.
alright, this is
Actually,
good.
shit in the last one. Alright.
Hey, you can see my reflection.
Haha, babe, you're so cute. Okay. It is. Yeah.
Give me some sugar.
Yeah. Give me lots of sugar. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
If this doesn't work, I actually probably will cry.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be just crying. I'll just literally.
Fucking Best Buy, fucking...
Should have went to Future Shop. Nah, man.
Wish Daniel could give us like a...
I know that would have been nice.
Oh well.
Insight.
Yeah, oh well.
Insight.
Should've got the memory card from him.
I know. Well, I told you. I said, babe, you should probably get a memory card. And you said, nah.
I got a nice cheap one, so...
I guess so, yeah. There's, yeah. Wiggle your bum. Yeah.
Got swag of the wazoo.
You laughed at me when I said that.
What?
At the wazoo. Oh no, that wasn't you. Okay, sorry. I was talking to my brother yesterday and I said that.
Because like, you got from me, I think.
Maybe.
Pretty sure you got it.
Pretty sure I didn't get everything from you. I really want food.
What? You what?
I'm hungry again.
Oh, okay. This is something else.
Oh.
They said I want poop.
Well,
Stroke the cord, you know.
get all them kinks out. Oh yeah.
Fucking right, but
Should be a model.
yeah, be a fucking model.
Should be a model.
Me? No.
Yeah.
That.
Alright.
That's number one.
Alright.
I think it's HDMI too.
Oh my god, I can't hold it any. Oh! I'm so shaky. We have life. We have
Sweet. Good. That's
Oh.
good.
Oh.
Work.
So excited.
So, Maker. A vlog.
Don't move. Don't move. Oh my god, you can't even see. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I need to capture on camera how many crumbs you got on your face when you ate those chips. No, you took them away! Don't do that. Okay, that's all.
Get that on camera.
Yeah, I got that on camera. You fucking nasty. Oh, that's cool.
What?
There's a Coke bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
My girlfriend just kicked my ass at fucking Monopoly.
Yeah, I did.
Whatevs.
Yeah, I did.
Anger. Okay, shit.
I rock at everything. It's
No, you
just a
don't.
fact.
No.
Yeah.
Nah.
No, fact.
We're waiting for The Last of Us to
Are we?
download. Oh, my TV's off. Just grab the remote.
PlayStation is orange. What does that mean?
PS4 is orange. What does that mean? Leave it down in the comments. Never
Welcome
mind.
back. Oh, it went on sleep mode. Oh, that excites me.
Oh god, I'm so tired. Today's been
It's
such
only
a
9:30.
lazy day. What?
It's only 9:30.
It's only 9:30.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Fuck.
How great is life? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more.
Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun
You
dun.
zooming in?
So. Oh god. Wow. We were in Spencer's what's it called? Like
It's
the
just
full
called
store?
Spencer's.
Is it just called that?
Literally, I don't know why you keep calling it something else because it's just called Spencer's.
Spencer's Gifts, I think
It's
it's called.
just called Spencer's. I know that's what you think it's called, but it's just called Spencer's.
Anyway, it is a store.
Oh my god,
With-
it's only 77.
Wait, we did this in the vlog.
Oh yeah.
We just what you seen about like the like
saw? What you saw?
s-
What you saw?
such a
you
fucking
saw?
grammar Nazi.
Yeah, I am. I'm taking German, so I have to be.
Oh my wordplay.
Joke. Whistle while you twerk. Can't whistle.
Twerk. Me neither. We don't know what to do now.
We wait until the rest of the
Wait, which is how much?
22%.
What?
22% left.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, yeah, it's at 78%.
It's still kind of.
Something on your face. Sorry, I got it.
Well, we're gonna wrap up today's vlog. Anything you want to say or anything? No. Just that?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nope.
I don't know what we have planned for tomorrow, but
Me either.
we'll figure it out. Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.